Today we are going to see the comparisons. The first one is on and under. Okay, now tell me, where is the dog?
Dog is on the table.
Okay.
The dog is under the table.
Okay. The second one we are going to see empty and full. What is in front of you, Teja?
Basket is full of toys.
Okay. Okay, give me.
Now basket is empty.
Third one is long and short.
Aeroplane is short. Blue color aeroplane short.
Okay.
White color aeroplane is long.
Very good. Today we are going to see the fourth one, light and heavy.
Balloon is light. Cube is heavy.
Very good. Yes.
But the balloon.
Fifth one, hard and soft.
Stone is hard. Cotton is soft.
Very good. Sixth one, right and left.
Right. Lion is right. Tiger is left.
Seventh one and many.
One ball, many balls.
Show me. Oh, okay. Eighth one, this and that. Which is near to you?
This one dog.
Which is far away from you?
That dog.
Thank you.
Thank you.